Next, let's talk about AWS Stack. AWS Stack refers to the combination of services and tools available on the AWS platform that are used to deploy, manage, and scale the different applications. AWS Stack allow users to easily provision and manage the resources in the cloud, such as compute instances, storage, networking, database, and more. AWS Stack allow the users to easily provision and manage the resources in the cloud, such as compute instances, storage, networking, database, and many other services. AWS Stack include the various components that work together to provide a complete solution for cloud computing. Some of the key components include EC2, a web service that provides resizable compute capacity in the cloud. S3, an object storage service that offers the industry-leading scalability, data availability, security, and performance. RDS, a managed database service that makes it easy to set up, operate, and scale a relational database in the cloud. Elastic load balancing service that automatically distribute the incoming traffic across multiple compute instances. CloudFront. CloudFront is a content delivery network that securely delivers the data, videos, applications, and APIs to the customers globally. AWS provides several services that allow you to create and manage these stacks, include CloudFormation. You can create the stack using AWS CloudFormation. This service allows you to use the templates to define and create the stacks of resources. You can use the JSON or YAML template to define your stack, and CloudFormation will automatically create and configure the resources for you. Beanstalk. This service allows you to deploy the web applications and services on AWS without having to provision or manage the underlying infrastructure. Beanstalk will automatically create and manage the resources needed to run your applications, such as EC2 instances and load balancers. OpsWorks. This service allows you to create, configure, and manage the stack of resources using the Chef or Puppet configuration management tools. Each of these services allow you to define and manage your resources in a structured way, which is useful when you need to scale, monitor, and troubleshoot your infrastructure. Additionally, by creating stacks, you can also take advantage of automation, versioning, and rollback features provided by these services, which can help you quickly recover from unexpected issues or changes. AWS stacks bring lots of benefits for the user, such as scalability. AWS Stack allows you to easily scale your infrastructure up or down to meet the changing demands. Security. AWS provides a range of security features to ensure that your applications and data are protected in the cloud. Cost effective. With AWS Stack, you only pay for the resources you use, which can help you save money compared to traditional on-prem infrastructure. High availability. AWS offers a range of services that are designed to provide high availability and uptime for your applications. You can use any of the tools like CloudFormation, Elastic Beanstalk, or OpsWorks to create your infrastructure in the AWS environment. We will discuss about these tools in more details in the coming slides.